Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we are doing elephant here on the Reformer. I love the elephant. It's so good. Everyone hates it. It's really esoteric. It's not a beginner exercise. The thought process behind it requires so much advanced Pilates thinking. So don't be discouraged if you're new and you're doing it and you're like, I don't get it. So I'm going to show you the transition from upstretch into elephant, just in case that's where you're coming from. And then we'll talk about it. And in another video, I will talk about the single leg elephant because it's got a lot going on. So 2 springs on. And you would be coming from upstretch. So you would be here with your ribs up, your head down, your wrists long, and your feet pressing into the shoulder blocks. And then you just lower the heels down, but you keep half your weight. I know it's a fancy transition. You keep half your weight in your arms and in your legs. So I don't want to see you back here, and I don't want to see you over here. I want you to have this evenness and this reach down into your heels. Now, my reformer is like the Contrology reformer. So I have a lot of space for my heel to go down more and encourage more of that down reach. If you have a lot of cushion here, it's going to be really hard, right, to get your heels to reach down. So there's a lot of talk about the toes being up. Just be mindful that they're up because you're reaching so far down with your heels, not because you're just lifting your toes up, but you're not reaching down into your heels. Lift your ribs up. It's easy for them to fall out. Mine do it all the time. They'll do it in this video. Let your arms be long, and then you just reach the legs away. So I'm pushing and pulling, and what I want you to feel is that this is not ending up like this. This is not coming down here. Keep this up like there's a flame here, and then as your legs go down and back, this is getting longer, right? So you can only go as far away as you can keep your pelvis in the exact same position, and you're really reaching and pulling, reaching and pulling. And again, it's easy to pull this way. So you have to pull from your stomach going up and your legs reaching down, right? So you would do like 5, if you're new, maybe 5 to 10 of those. If you're doing the one leg, which I'll show in another video, you would do 5, and then you do 3 with one leg, 3 with the other leg, or maybe 3 to 5 with each leg. But again, focus on the heels reaching down. They're going to want to lift up. You're going to want to pull this carriage in with the balls of your feet using your hip flexors and your lower back instead of stretching your lower back and reaching your heels down and through. I hope you enjoy this. Again, this is doing the 100 scroll right here. It's not hanging out. It's going to want to. You got to fight against gravity to keep that in, and try not to use your arms to help push and pull you in and out. Like the entire upper body can stay exactly where it is here while the legs go out and in. It's a lot like double straight leg stretch on the mat. Okay, I'll make sure that link is below in the show notes. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the boxes below, and I will hopefully see you next time.